Why do we hear octaves? Why does an A chord consist of 440 hertz? And why when you double it we hear an octave? What aspect of human biology and our internal membrane allows us to perceive sound logarithmically in subset increments? So cross-disciplinary
forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with laws. What makes these things pop up and it looks three-dimensional? Right, and this is I got into art to kind of understand the phenomena.
Both fields simultaneously. That's cross-disciplinary. Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. One area I might get into area of psychopathology, mental disorder, pathology, mental diseases, and I might get into key in on areas like, let's say, bipolar, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, or let's say bipolar.
Actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have
empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular. Mirrored projection.
Waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this